Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our 3.5-inch lift for the 392 Jeep Wrangler. Now with the 392 JL, finally there was V8 power in the Wrangler platform, 470 horsepower to be precise. But the factory lift left a little to be desired, both in way of the ability to add a larger tire and the soft coil rate. Now we've taken care of both of those with Rough Country's 3.5-inch lift specifically for the 392. The kit's going to include coils that are rated specifically for the weight of the 392. It's also a linear rate coil, which is going to improve handling while maintaining lift under load, much better than other designs. Next up, we've got shock relocation brackets, so we can keep the factory 392 shocks and maintain as close to a factory ride as possible. We're also including elongated sway bar links so the geometry on that can stay correct, as well as control arm relocation brackets to maintain the factory geometry of the control arms. Now this obviously isn't the complete kit. I've laid out the high points here to go over with you. That's going to also include things like bump stop relocation spacers. Up front we've got a forged adjustable track bar, and in the rear we've got a track bar relocation bracket, both of which are going to make sure your axles are nice and centered under your rig. A lot of times with lower production numbers, you're not going to have a company produce a kit for it, and it's a shame. But here at Rough Country, we're trying to make sure we've got a kit for everyone. So if you've got a 392 JL and you're looking to lift it, we've got the kit for you in the 3.5-inch. Check it out today at roughcountry.com.